That's old school.
I love it.
Yeah, so back in the day, you would have to, connect all your system into a staging layer. That staging layer, you'd have to figure out, okay, how do I model these dimensions here and there? That's the old way of doing things.
Okay.
Nowadays, you can basically take all of your data, but before you get all the data, get the metadata, the underlying definition of those columns, fields, tables, and then provide additional context as to what that means.
Okay.
You feed that into a model. Specifically, you could use a generalized model as of now, or you can use that model to provide specific training sets on the schema, the underlying definition of what that data means.
Okay.
And then you use that to provide you additional recommendations as to what your schema should look like. That alone takes away a pretty big chunk of the workload that you would have typically a data steward look into and define. That could be completely automated. You could use that. You could then use crawlers to infer schemas.
Yep.
Compare those schemas into the recommendations, and then that's a really good starting point. And what used to take months to do, you could now do a day or two.
That's phenomenal.